Hi, as promised, I said I would do a little video for you. I did not intend for last week to be our last in-person meeting, but things beyond my control have happened, so here we are. So this is going to be really brief today. Just going to go over the chapter, your assignments, and especially the supplemental videos for this one. So this chapter is called Lifespan Development. It's also the same thing as human development. And if you really like the content of this chapter that we just spent 1 week on, after you finish the intro course, there is an entire semester course called Human Development. And it's usually taught by Dr. Roger Smith, and he's excellent. So if you like this, you can kind of take the next course in the sequence. So, of course, you have your book, which we will take a quick look at. You have a quiz, and you have a personal application or critical thinking question, which is a Dropbox question. Respond to the following question on a Word document. Remember to hit your word minimum of 100, okay? If you use vocabulary or paraphrase from the textbook, be sure to include in-text citations and the full reference. After you click Add a File as well as Submit, you'll get an email confirmation. So this chapter, you're going to learn about many different lifespan theories. And one of them is called Erikson's psychosocial theory of lifespan development. So you're going to read about it. You're going to also watch this video, which is linked here, but it's also in your supplemental videos. And then you're going to analyze, basically, how does it apply to your current life stage? Tell me which stage you feel that you are at, and provide an example of a situation or challenge that you're currently dealing with in your life that aligns with this stage. Okay? And I'm really going to focus, if we were meeting in class this week as planned, we would really be watching a lot of these videos. They're excellent. And the first one, so you're going to learn about Piaget's theory of cognitive development. And once you read it, I would go back to this. It's short, it's very entertaining, and it's an illustration of one of the specific stages of development. It's excellent. I think this is also possibly embedded in your book as well. You will learn about parenting styles and attachment styles. And this is video of a very famous experiment that has been done many times over now, and it's called The Strange Situation. And in it, they have a toddler in a room with its mom, and then they have a stranger come in. And then eventually the mom leaves, and they're looking at the reaction of the toddler, both when the mom leaves and when the mom comes back. And you'll learn in your book what the different levels of reaction mean. And then this is excellent. It's a goofy, older film, but it's great. It's Harlow's study on dependency in monkeys, and it talks about, definitely hits on nature versus nurture, and it shows how monkeys raised on wire, like sort of fake moms, but got milk, prefer the fake moms that had cloth on them. And it's short, it's really interesting. Here is the one that's linked in your discussion question. Do note it's a Khan Academy video, and they're usually excellent, but she does say in it, she makes a mistake and calls it the psychosexual theory in the beginning, and that's actually confusing it with something with Freud. And then this is the full Khan Academy video on Piaget's stages of cognitive development that you will read in the textbook. So again, I toyed with showing you these videos during this, but I'm not going to, but we really would be watching them in class. So I encourage you to watch them on your own. And Don't forget, we skipped chapter 10, so next week will be chapter 11, and I'll have a little bit longer video for you on that post. Take care. Don't forget, email me if you have any questions. I can always Zoom. I'm going to be providing you with a cell phone number for those of you that don't already have it. Some people prefer that to the school email, and that's fine for the rest of the semester. So take care and have a good week.